In this video, we're going to take a look at entering joint checks. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have it enabled. I am at entity level here, but you can go to top level accounts payable, setup, configuration, and within your enable functionality section, there's an option to turn on joint checks. So you want to make sure that that is turned on. If it's not, then you'll have to do it at top level. And then in your accounts payable module, you're going to go to the all tab and you're going to enter in a bill. So I'm going to choose a vendor at random. Going to put in anything that is required. So anything with a red asterisk, I do have to put in. I'll select my project, cost code, cost type. Item's going to pre-fill in from my cost type. And I'm going to put in my account automatically pre-fills as well. I'm going to put in, let's just keep it simple and say $5,000. And I'm going to post that bill. Once I've posted the bill, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to edit it. So let's go to bills. And who did I create that for? A1 Electric. So I'm going to hit edit. And I'm going to see, once I go back in, this joint payees tab at the top. So I'm going to click on my joint payees. I'm going to add my ABC construction. And I'm going to tab across, and then it's going to show my joint payee print as A1 Electric Company and ABC Construction, because my original vendor is A1 Electric, and I put in ABC Construction as my joint payee. So I'm going to post that. So the next step in the process then is obviously when you go to pay your bill. So if I go to accounts payable, pay bills, I'm going to select from my drop down that I am doing joint check. So payment method is joint check. It's going to show me just the bills that I have that are available with a joint payee. So A1 Electric is the bill that I just put in. I'm going to select that, and then over here on my line details, it's payee line details. It automatically defaults to the original vendor. So it's just now going to print as A1 Electric. So what I want to do is zero that out. And here for A1 Electric and ABC, I'm going to put in my $5,000. If, of course, I want the full amount to go to A1 Electric and ABC. If you're splitting that out and it's, $2,500, whatever it is that you want to do that. So it does default to just the vendor. So you do have to come into that payee line details and edit that. So I'm going to hit save. And obviously select your bank, select your payment date, hit pay now. And that should record that payment request for me. So if I go now to my payment requests, I'll be able to see there's a request here for A1 Electric. Joint payee is ABC Construction, and it's going to print as A1 Electric Company and ABC Construction. So now if I go to print checks, I'll hit pre-printed. GB1 was my bank account, and I'm going to print here for my A1 Electric. I'm going to hit the print button. And we'll just make this a little bigger so that you can see it is printing on the check as A1 Electric Company and ABC Construction. Obviously, make sure you have your checks in the printer, print that out, and then confirm it. So that is the process for doing a joint check. You want to make sure that you have that enabled. You cannot enter the joint payee on the bill until after you've posted it. You'll have to go back in and edit it. And then when you go to pay bills, you want to make sure that you go into that payee line details and update where that money is going, because it automatically defaults to just the vendor. So those are the steps for creating a joint check in Intacct.